I've almost finished making a couple of egg cups from a scrap piece of wood. Got bits of wood left over from different projects, and I thought, well, I've got another piece of wood and I just don't know what to do with it, so I might make some egg cups to give away. So that's what I'm doing on the lathe in the garden. The sun's just come out. This is a scrap piece of wood, and it's too hard to whittle. It's basswood or European lime wood. Trying to get out the shadows, and I might be able to get 2 or even 3 egg cups from this piece of wood. I'm just getting the basic shape, and then I'll do a bit more down here, see if I can do another one the same. You can see the basic shape of the second one. Coming on, slow but sure. I'll try not to waste any wood because wood's quite expensive. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get 1, 2 egg cups from that, and then the end bit, let's see, I've shaped it and I should gouge that out, and that'll make another egg cup of a different design. So there's only the dust, which is waste, but sometimes I actually put that and on the barbecue and cook food on it, but not today. I'm just going to put it in the bin. Carrying on with the egg cups, and I've took the centre out of that now. I don't have a proper parting tool, so I'm going to use a hacksaw. I'm going to saw off just there behind it, and then I can put this back on the lathe to start on the second egg cup out of this piece of wood. So just using a metal hacksaw and sawing this egg cup off, this will leave a stub which I can then put back on the lathe to turn the next egg cup. And there we have it cut off, and it will need sanding on the bottom so it's flat, and the centre tidying up, and just put that to one side, and I'll put this other bit on the lathe and I'll start on that one. There we have it, 3 egg cups, not varnished yet or treated, and the other one is had a couple of coats of varnish. And there it is, complete. So this is the end of the video. Hope you liked it. Lovely jubbly. Never two the same, however you try. Thanks for watching.